Welcome to my YouTube channel today, the future of luxury, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Spectre, the brand's first fully electric ultra-luxury coupe. It redefines elegance and performance, blending timeless craftsmanship with cutting-edge EV technology. The Spectre carries the unmistakable Rolls-Royce DNA, but with a more aerodynamic and futuristic design. The signature Pantheon grille is illuminated, making a bold statement even in the dark. The split LED headlights give it an aggressive yet elegant look, while the fastback silhouette enhances its sleekness. Rolls-Royce has fine-tuned the aerodynamics, achieving a drag coefficient of just 0.25, making it the most aerodynamic Rolls-Royce ever. Massive 23-inch wheels complete the look, ensuring this grand tourer commands presence on the road. Underneath all this beauty lies an all-electric powertrain that delivers effortless performance. The dual-motor setup produces 577 horsepower and 664 lb-ft of torque, allowing the Spectre to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.4 seconds. While it's not built for speed, the instant torque and whisper-quiet operation make for an unmatched driving experience. The range is estimated at around 260 miles per charge, and with fast charging capabilities, topping up the battery is convenient. What truly sets the Spectre apart is the ride quality, gliding over the road with Rolls-Royce's planar suspension system, ensuring a smooth and composed drive. Step inside and you're greeted by an interior that feels like a luxurious lounge. Every surface is wrapped in the finest materials, leather, wood, and metal accents crafted to perfection. The Starlight headliner extends to the doors, creating a mesmerizing ambient glow. The digital instrument cluster is seamlessly integrated with the infotainment system, offering intuitive controls while maintaining the classic Rolls-Royce elegance. Rear passengers also enjoy supreme comfort, making this coupe as luxurious as any Rolls-Royce sedan. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Spectre starts at around $420,000, but with bespoke customization options, the final price can easily exceed $500,000. This car isn't just a means of transportation, it's a statement of success and exclusivity. The Rolls-Royce Spectre is an electric masterpiece that doesn't just follow the future, it defines it. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more luxury car reviews. See you in the next video.